And we're back to learn about sociological theories of gender. All right, so let's take a look at conflict theory. So, conflict theory of gender is going to say that males are the dominant group and that they actively seek to exploit women as the minority group, right? So, with conflict theory, it's always the people in charge are trying to stay in charge through changing the rules, right? So, by this theory, men are on top of the social order because they got there and they stayed there and they keep women down. All right. Whereas the structural functionalist theory of gender, the idea being that gender exists for the division of labor, right? So this originally would have separated the sexes. But then there were economic changes after World War II where this separation of labor really didn't work anymore and you really needed those two incomes. So that's what altered the division of labor, and that's how we get like modern women's movements and all that kind of thing. So that's where the structural functionalists are going. Now, the symbolic interactionists, they're going to be looking at symbolic representations of gender. They're going to be looking at interactions between the sexes. They're going to be asking, what does it mean to identify as a man, a woman? What does it mean to be gay? What does it mean to be straight? What are we actually interpreting that as, and how are we projecting that to the world? So those are the sociological theories on gender. This was a much shorter video, so that's delightful. So those are the three ways that the people look at gender, and all three of these are used fairly frequently. So it's not like some weeks where we kind of have to throw one out. We can actually use all three of them for this particular section. All right, I'll see you in the next video.